In front of me is OPPO Pad Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme. It has to be from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, click at the bottom left corner. Then wait for the pop-up and select Consent. Finally, you can tap on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Yes in Use App Settings pop-up. Then click on Apply to Home Screen and Lock Screen right away. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. If you want to, you can also go into Magic Fluids Lite and tap on this gear at the top left corner. Then manage all of those options however you want to before applying your wallpaper. You can even select presets over here. Click on the best one for you and select Yes in the pop-up. Then adjust all of its settings over here. Wherever you decided when you finished, click on the top right corner and then apply this wallpaper the same way as the previous one. So click on those three lines, select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes and tap on Apply to Home Screen and Lock Screens. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!